So it's $135.50. That's not bad for a day's worth of work, although that would be really hot work. Well, I think it would be to me. I prefer air conditioning. So these are piecewise workers. They get paid per job, per thing that they get. Okay. Glassman Chevrolet pays commission to its car salespeople. They are paid a percent of the profit of the dealership makes on the car, not on the selling price of the car. So that's a very common mistake. So like people think that car salesmen get a lot of money, and they don't. Because the profit on the car is really not that much. So yeah, you may sell a car for $40,000, but the profit is only like maybe $1,000. So if the profit is under $750, then the commission rate is 20%. I'm going to change colors here so I can color coordinate these. If the profit is between $750 and $1,000, then it's 22%. And if the profit is over $1,000, then it's 25%. If X represents the profit, express the commission, C of X, as a piecewise function. So this is the first one that's not just a bunch of numbers where we're actually doing stuff. We're going to have an equation here and figure out how to make the equation. So we'll start with the 750. 750, the commission rate is 20%. What is 20% as a decimal? 0.20, yeah, or 0.2. So C of X equals 0.20 or 0.2 times whatever the profit is if X is less than $750. So that's how we write it. So if X is smaller than 750, you take 0.2 times that. For the next one, what am I going to multiply times X? For the purple one. Oops. This one that's underlined in purple. Yeah. So 0.22 times X. And this time, X has got to be between 750. At least 750. And is less than or equal to 1,000. So we put X between 750 and 1,000. Now, if you didn't write it all math fancy like this, and you wrote out X's between 750 and 1,000, I would take that. I just want to know that you understand what's going on. I don't care if you can write it out all mathy. And the next one is the green one. What would I multiply times X there? The green one.
0.25.
Yeah, 0.25X. And that's if X is what? Greater than $1,000. Excellent. See, it's really not that hard. Once you get what the first one is, it's pretty much over and over and over again. It tells you exactly what it is. But we look really, really smart by writing it like that. see? I have that coffee. Or that, whatever, Monster, whatever to drink. You get it. Okay, the next example. Joyce works at Fortunato's Furniture. She is paid on commission. Most furniture stores do pay on commission. She receives 10% of her first $900 and then 15% of whatever's left, the balance. Last week, she earned $750. That doesn't mean that's what her sales were. That's how much she took home. So what was the total value of the furniture she sold? So we are going to be working backwards. Joy, I can tell your excitement. Calm down, y'all. Jeez. Take a breath. It's exciting, I know. Thank you for the pity laughs. I appreciate it. Son gives me those all the time. He's 13 now. Almost. Knows everything. All right. So we know on her first $900, she earned 10%. So it's 0.10 times $900. Plus however much she made over $900. So X minus $900, that would be how much she made over. And that is 15%, so times 0.15. And that should equal $750. So now we multiply these things and solve for X. What's 0.1 times 900?
Is it 90?
Yes, it is. So 90 plus, now we're going to take 0.15 times X, which is 0.15 times X. And what's 0.15 times 900? Yes, sir. Good job. 135. I'm going to combine the 90 and the minus 135. So what's 90 minus 135? Yes. How do I solve this?
Plus 45?
Yep. .15x equals 795. And then what? I think you said divide by 0.15. Okay. And you get x equals Yep. So that's actually how much she sold in furniture. And she made $795. I think that's the last one. Sorry, I'll turn it right back. Yeah. Okay, I will post the work that goes along with this. And then tomorrow in class, you'll get to work on it. You can work on it starting today, too, if you want to. You know, because